The expression of your spirit is the entire universe as you are experiencing it. Your environments, your situations, people, animals, pets. You bring them all together from outside linear time and three-dimensional space. It is all you. For everything is one thing, and one cannot be divided from itself. But how to enjoy all of this vastness in order to learn more deeply about your multi-dimensional self? Who you are is literally the universe, not symbolically or metaphorically, but in actuality. The galaxies, environments, and all that you experience is the real expression of your spirit. However, because of your incredible vastness, how could you focus, drill down into a specific expression of such grandeur, observe it, make judgments, and change things in order to have a different experience? By creating something within your own self that can be used as an aperture, a lens, in which to create an illusion of separateness in order for such viewing. Welcome to your body. The physical body and its nervous system is what creates an illusory sense of otherness in order to interact with the rest of your spiritual self. It provides a degree of separation so you can examine all that you are in a unique and satisfactory way. That is, your spirit uses the physical body as a point of reference for living inside the grand entirety of your being, which again is the limitless expanse of the universe. Now, how else could you observe such enormity unless you focused a portion of your energy into a type of capsule that would allow you to enter your fullness, observe, and make judgments freely? The way the body does this is through the physical brain and nerves, creating a field of time and space. Why? Because in reality, time and space are all wrapped up. That is, time is simultaneous, and space completely disappears once outside our three dimensions. In other words, you are really not here nor there, but everywhere and every when. Well, how do you experience that until you give yourself permission to look more closely? Dive in and become a small point from out of the infinite expanse. That closeness is provided by the physical body and its sensory systems. When you are working within the universe of yourself, you are really exploring all your possibilities, because you are also every type of event doable. Because remember, you are a verb and not a noun, as I've talked about in other videos. And it is through the physical body that you get to engage and experience all that potential in a unique way. You see, the greater part of you is really outside the body, and thus outside time and space. You're not just simply everywhere and every when, you are also every possibility. But this is all happening at once until you provide a matrix filter in which to interact. to choose what infinite possibility to make momentary for experience. The body, then, is like a deep-sea diving bell, providing capabilities in order to observe the living ocean of your entire being. It creates a bubble of time and space in order to facilitate a unique experience of observation, understanding, contemplation, and movement from one possibility into another. It is the real temple in which you are able to engage your true spiritual exploration. Now, the conscious mind and ego emerge as a result of this bubble and dimension the nerve structure of the body creates. They are a natural byproduct of the capsule portion of self that comes through in order to make the observation of your larger universal self into the particular areas you are focusing and unfolding. In other words, the conscious mind and ego are another point of reference created by the floodlight aspect of your eternal spirit, funneling into a spotlight personality of you to engage the particular portion of self-verb experiences you are clarifying out of all the infinite varieties which, once outside the body, are existing all at once. It is sad that in many spiritual traditions, the body is considered the most unspiritual aspect of self, resulting in nonsensical abuse and regrettable demise. Without realizing, it is what makes encountering your spirituality possible. That it comes from your spirit in order to explore the greatness of yourself. Without it, you would never have true, personal, universal experience of your magnificent soul.